This video is repairing a MacBook Pro 15-inch 2011 version. It's quite common issue. The individual graphic card is faulty. It's very common issue for this model. Apple was called back for this model decades ago, and for replacing a new motherboard to sort the issue. But even a new motherboard replaced before, the same issue will coming back. And it will causing the monitor picture breaking and not log into the system. Most of the common repair is resoldering the graphic card. It might allow the laptop back to work, but not very long. After resoldering the graphic card, the same issue will coming back roughly about 6 months to 1 year's time. Definitely it will be coming back the same problem. Another way to repairing this laptop and can be guaranteed the same issue never coming back is disable the individual graphic card. After disable the faulty individual graphic card, the motherboard, the machine will using the Intel as the graphic card. The Intel built-in processor graphic card is a lot more reliable, and the problem will not coming back. To do that, we need to reprogramming the BIOS chipset. After reprogramming the BIOS, every time when the machine power on, the BIOS will tell in the machine there's no actual graphic card. Please using the Intel itself as the graphic card. Reprogramming the BIOS chipset is quite easy, just like writing a USB pen drive or something like that. After programming this BIOS, we need to soldering the new one and replacing the old one. After replacing the BIOS, also we need to disconnect the power connector of the graphic card. These two resistors are going to desoldering. It's the power in pin for the graphic card power controller chipset. Without these two resistors, the graphic card power controller chipset will stop providing the power for the individual graphic card. Without desoldering these two, the graphic card always getting a power and always sending a signal to the processor that will confuse the machine, the motherboard, which graphic card they're going to use in first. So these two resistors must be desoldering. Now the machine should be functioning normally after all job done. Let's press the Option key and power on the machine to have a try to see is it successful. Now we can see we got clear image. The picture is not breaking. We can put back the hard drive and the back panel. Now the machine is logged into the system, and I rewrite the serial number to something, and the picture is correct. Brightness can be controlled, and we can check on the graphic. Now it's only Intel graphic card presenting. The machine should be running in this condition for a very long time. The same issue will never coming back.